Hi guys, I hope you are having a great Saturday. It is absolutely beautiful tonight. We had some rain and thunder earlier, but now it is looking absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's damp, but it's very nice. And I absolutely
How you doing?
Good. I absolutely am happy that it's beautiful right now. It is just very nice right now. So if you didn't have the chance to go outside, well, now you can, because it is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's just very nice right now, and you can go out, have yourself a fun time. What happened? There's an ambulance for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, they're going over there. Something happened. Anyways, if you want to follow me on my YouTube channel, it's Jeremy Hadley Last Kicker. I usually tell you at the end of my video about my social media sites and things like that, but I'm going to tell you early. Follow me at Jeremy Hadley Last Kicker. That's my YouTube channel if you want to follow me there. I'm not always on YouTube, but I am sometimes. Just follow me there, and if you want to get me on my Instagram, my name is just Jeremy. If you want to get me on there. It was very, very windy, but it's still nice. My hair is falling out, and I haven't been dyeing my hair. I don't know why it's falling out. I'm waiting for it to grow out. I'm waiting for my hair to grow out. I just don't like being out in the wind. It's very, very windy right now. So I'm trying to keep it from blowing in the wind, and I hate it when it's like this. I'm trying to hold my hair up from blowing in the wind. So if you guys enjoyed my video, or always enjoyed my video, or enjoyed my videos, put a like down below, or you can just ring the bell and know, so it lets me know you guys love my video or you love me. Or you can just like the video itself. I show you my videos because I care, and I go on adventures a lot, but I haven't been going on adventures because of this virus. You can get out of your house and you can have fun, but you can't go travel because of the coronavirus that just happened. My hair is falling out. I absolutely hate this. They used to look good. Anyways, I'm heading on home now. As you can see, my hair is falling out. Yeah, my hair is falling out actually. I just now done my hair very perfectly and now it's falling out. Like it took me an hour to do it. It took me an hour to like brush my hair and everything. So I know there's people on my block that are big fans of mine, and I know that they actually have me on they have actually added me to be a part, you know what I mean. But it's you know. So how are you guys today? Even though we're still in this pandemic, and that's been rough around here. It's been very rough. It's always been rough for me, but I'm gonna head in the store and get me something to drink. So anyways, when it's windy, it really messes up my hair. My hair was nice and brushed, and now it looks like crap. So anyways, I am heading on home. I already had supper. I just wanted to go out, just wanted to walk to the mall, but the mall was closed, and I've never got to the mall before it closes, ever. It was like a ghost town in there. So it's like a ghost mall. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick shout out. Just saying hey. If you guys liked my video, just leave a like or just ring the bell down below. And it makes me know that you guys care. So this video, I think would last for about 8 minutes long, because I didn't realize that I wouldn't be at the mall like until 7 o'clock, but it is 8 right now or something like that. So I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I love you all. Have a great night, and stay weird. I'll see you all tomorrow. Love you guys.